recording, so we're going to continue from where we stopped. So we're gonna be talking about alignment. So alignment. So let me just increase this, so that you can have a better view of it. So name. So you can increase just putting your cursor in between the if you want to increase between B and C, so just put in between the line in between them. So just drag. Yeah, just drag. So now you can see properly. Um, so we have alignments actually. So we have the top align, we have the central center align or middle align, we have the bottom align. So alignment is like placement in the box. So this is just so let me give it some space here. So if I say align top, so it's gonna put the name. The name was down before, but now it's gonna align it top. So you want it in the middle, so you're gonna bring it to the middle. So if you want to put it to the bottom, so you say bottom, so it has put it back in the bottom. So now you have align left again, you have align center, and you have align right. You see these three things when you make if you want left, so in this left, you can use these three things. Let me give an example. So align left means the text to be in the left, yes, which is it is right now. So now in this left, you want it to be at the top align. So it's going to be in the top left alignment. So you want it to be in the middle left alignment. You see, it's in the middle left alignment, and this is the bottom left alignment. That is what it means. So now let's go to the second, which is center. So now my name now is in the center, as you can see. Now in this center also you can use the spray pen. So you want it to be top center align. So that is the top center align, as you can see. So this is the top middle align. As you can see, the top middle align or the top the bottom middle align. Yeah, thank you. Uh, So now going back to right now, this is right now. As you can see, the position now is in the right. So you can see it to be top, to the middle, and to the bottom. Yeah. So yeah, that is the alignment type. So now also here you can rotate orientation. How do you want it? Yeah, if you want to angle clockwise, as you can see, it's gonna preview it for you. If you want it to angle counterclockwise, it's gonna preview it for you. If you want it to rotate desktop, as you can see. So yeah, so and you can also click on this format set alignment. It's gonna bring a drop box for you. In this drop box, what you're just going to look at is this orientation. This so you can rotate your text at any angle as you can angles, so, or you can just drag this. I think yeah, so drag this. If you want it to be in angle 0, that means to be normal. Just click on OK, then it comes back to normal. Yeah. So we have this, which is to decrease intent, increase indent. Yeah. So in this increase indent, you're gonna shift back the the name back to the left, but this is gonna take it back to the right, as you can see. So wrap test. So for instance, wrap test is like let me say like phone number now. Now you can see phone. You can only see phone num. You can't see the bar like the full sentence of number. So just click on this and just say wrap test. So provided maybe you have like many text or many work already on these, and now you don't want to give too many space for phone number, so you can just wrap test. So wrap test is going to break it down. It's going to break it down so that it contains that box alone. Yeah. So merge and center. So what does merge mean? Merge means to combine one, to combine two or more cells together. So like this cell of name, cell of phone number, and cell of sex. So you can combine all of them together without having a break in between them. So just highlight them, then you see margin center. Margins only keeps the upper left and the square. Just say okay. So obviously when you're margin, that means you're giving it one heading. You understand? One heading. So that means maybe name. So you want to say name. We have name of Toby, Samuel Toby. We have David. We have let's say we have Mama. Yeah, we have Faith. Yeah, and we have extra extra. Yeah. So as you can see under this name, so this name has like it is under A, B, and C now. It's one like it's gonna cover like three columns as you can see. So yeah, so that's the essence of merge and center. But if you really want to merge cells only, so merge cells that means you're only merging without centralizing it. Yeah, so that's it. That's all about alignment. Uh, but when you click on this, so you're gonna see number, you're gonna see alignment. But all these things that I mentioned here, so those are the shortcuts outside here. So that's what we're gonna need. So now you have general. So let's go to number. As you can see, number, we're in number now. I'm done with alignment. Now number, so general means the general formatting. Yeah. So if you can see when I was typing let me say I want to type a number, like a phone number, 090187192646562. So something like this I type, I press enter. You see that the zero in front has disappeared. Where has it gone to? You just come here, just say I want a should it be a number? I think so, I suppose number. So I think this is just because of okay, it shouldn't be a number. Let's give it no. It shouldn't be a number. I should say general. Yeah, I think okay. Let's come to the more stuff. So it's gonna be general. It's gonna be so sorry, my bad. I'll come back there. So it's gonna give me some issue. So so obviously when you're typing numbers, you use this. When you're typing currencies, you use it. When you're doing accounting, you use this. Short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, text. Yeah. So these you cannot use these. So whatever you're doing on this sheet, so that's the format you're gonna use. So if you want a number, a currency, accounting, so just click on it. So if it's a short date, you'll see study that I want 22 11 2002. Let's see what's gonna give me. Okay, I think yeah, so 2002, so it will give me a day. So it's gonna give me in a date format, yeah. So we have these. So in case you wanna add dollars, so let's say 20. So enter. So let's click on it back. So it says dollars. So now you want it in dollars. So if it is in euros, you can see if it is in Chinese, just click on it. So yeah, if it's percentage you want, so we're gonna change to percentage of 20. If it's commas you want, so we're gonna give you commas of 20. So you're gonna add more zeros. You want to remove zeros from the back, which are the decimal, just click on it. So these are increasing, but these are decreasing, removing, as you can see. Yeah, so that is for the number and alignment. So thank you for watching, and in the next chapter we're gonna talk about styles and cells. Yeah.